BMW enters 2027 with a bold vision of the future. This new model represents the next evolution of driving pleasure. From the first look, the design feels modern, sharp, and confident. BMW's signature styling has been reimagined for a new era. The front fascia looks aggressive yet refined. Sleek LED lighting gives the car a futuristic personality. Aerodynamic lines flow smoothly across the body. Every detail is designed for performance and efficiency. BMW 2027 is built on an advanced next-generation platform. This platform improves balance, stability, and control. Under the hood, power meets intelligence. Instant acceleration delivers that classic BMW thrill. The driving experience feels sharp, smooth, and responsive. BMW's engineering focuses on precision handling. Even at high speeds, the car feels planted and confident. Step inside, and the cabin feels driver-focused and premium. High-quality materials surround every surface. The interior design is clean, modern, and immersive. A wide digital display dominates the dashboard. BMW's latest infotainment system feels fast and intuitive. Advanced driver assistance features enhance safety. Smart technology works quietly in the background. BMW 2027 blends performance with everyday comfort. Long drives feel effortless and relaxing. The suspension adapts to different road conditions. This car feels equally at home in the city or on the highway. BMW continues its journey toward electrification. Efficiency and performance now go hand in hand. The sound, the feel, the response, everything feels refined. BMW has not forgotten its racing heritage. This model still delivers excitement behind the wheel. Design and technology come together seamlessly. BMW 2027 is built for drivers who love control. It's not just about speed, it's about balance. This car represents confidence, innovation, and style. BMW stays true to its philosophy of driving pleasure. Every journey feels special in this car. BMW 2027 is designed for a new generation of drivers. It reflects confidence, innovation, and modern thinking. The proportions feel perfectly balanced from every angle. BMW's attention to detail is clear in every curve. The car looks powerful even when standing still. Engineers focused on improving aerodynamics. This helps increase both efficiency and performance. The steering feels precise and connected. Drivers feel fully in control at all times. BMW's suspension system adapts instantly to the road. Comfort and sportiness blend effortlessly. The driving modes transform the car's character. From calm cruising to aggressive performance. BMW 2027 responds exactly how the driver wants. The braking system delivers strong, confident stopping power. Safety remains a top priority. Advanced sensors monitor the road constantly. Smart assistance features support the driver naturally. Technology feels helpful, not distracting. BMW's interior design focuses on simplicity. Controls are intuitive and easy to reach. Ambient lighting adds a premium atmosphere. The seats are designed for long-distance comfort. Road noise is kept to a minimum. BMW engineers work to improve cabin isolation. The result is a calm and refined ride. BMW 2027 also supports fast charging technology. This makes daily use more convenient. Sustainability plays a key role in this model. Materials are chosen carefully for quality and impact. BMW balances luxury with responsibility. Performance remains at the heart of the experience. The car feels alive on winding roads. High-speed stability inspires confidence. BMW's legacy of motorsport continues. That spirit is felt in every drive. BMW 2027 adapts to different lifestyles. It works for daily commuting and weekend drives. This car is built for real-world driving. BMW's future looks focused and exciting. Innovation drives every decision. The brand continues to evolve without losing its soul. BMW 2027 feels modern yet